Unlearned student of class 8th. In previous videos we were discussing physical feature of Europe. In this video we will discuss the remaining two physical feature, that is the central upland and the alpine mountain system. So let's start. The third physical feature is the central upland. Now see in this map, this is your central upland. The central upland are a belt of mountains, hills and plateaus. They lie between the North European plains and the Alpine mountain system. And how far they stretched? They stretch from the Atlantic coast of Spain in the west through which countries? France, Germany and Poland. And what are the height? These uplands are not very high. Their height does not exceed 1600 meter above the mean sea level. So this is the not a very high, not exceeding 1600 meters. Now the important rivers in the central upland is the Rhine river and the Rhone river. These two important rivers, Rhine and Rhone river, flows through this region. So this is your central upland. Now next move on to the Alpine mountain system. The Alpine mountain system stretches from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Caspian Sea in the east. See in this map where this is stretching from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Caspian Sea in the east. And this mountain system, they are the young fold mountains and have a series of ranges which run parallel to one another. So these mountains have high peaks. This is your characteristic: high peaks, steep slopes and deep valleys. See in the page number 43, this figure, these Alps mountains are a popular tourist destination too. See, this is the picture of this mountain. These are tourist destination for sightseeing as well as used as a sport destination. So this is your Alpine mountains. Now volcanic eruptions are also common here. Etna and Vesuvius are some of the volcanic mountains which are found in this region. Now let's take its stretch and spread where it stretches. So the Alps mountains from the center of the Alpine mountain system, this is your central mountain system, it spreads over most of the Switzerland and parts of Austria, France, Germany and Italy. And Mont Blanc, what is the height of this? 4,807 meter is the highest peak in this Alp mountain system. Now go to the west. Towards the west of the Alp mountains lie the Pyrenees between Spain and France, the Cantabrian mountain in the northern Spain and the Sierra Nevada in the southern Spain. In the south, Apennines lies in the peninsula of Italy. This is on the west side. Now in the eastern side, the Alpine mountain system divided into two branches: the Carpathian mountain and the Balkan mountain. This form the northern branch. So then Dinaric Alps form the southern branch. This is your northern branch and your southern branch. Next is your Caucasus mountain. So between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea, you find this Caucasus mountain located on eastern side of the Alpine mountain system. This is your Caucasus mountain. And Mount Elbrus, which has the 5,642 meter, this is the highest point in the Caucasus, is the highest peak of Europe. So I think we have discussed these physical features of Europe, that is Northwestern Highland, the North European plains, the central upland and the Alpine mountain system. So in next video we will discuss the water bodies of Europe. And so for that time being, thank you students, thank you very much.